Today we will tour a new construction home listed under $300,000 in Northeast Houston. The builder is Century Communities. As you can see, they are in their final phase of new construction in the Woodbridge Forest neighborhood. This home is zoned to Porter, Texas, where you will have access to all of the nearby shopping located near North Park Drive and US 59 in Kingwood. By the way, I'm Tragula with eXp Realty, and if you would like to know more info about this home or any others, feel free to contact me. All of my information is in the description, or you can head to my website to book on my calendar. This is the Sabine floor plan. It is 1,844 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2 stories, 2-car garage. This home comes with great features, including granite countertops throughout, 42-inch cabinets, subway tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, full sod front and backyard, sprinkler system. This is a smart home powered by Google as well. This home was listed at $299,990. It has had a price reduction and it is currently listed at $291,490. And that completes our tour. If you'd like to see this home or any others, feel free to reach out to me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home tours. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.